Okay, I've got some BMW news for you guys. In this video, I'm going to take you guys through the retail ordering guide for the 2023 X3M and the X4M. I just got the retail ordering guide, so let's hop into the numbers and see what's different from last year. Alright, on the first retail ordering guide page, the only thing that really matters here is the SOP. So the start of production is going to be for August of 2022. On the next page, we have the base MSRP. So it looks like for both the X3M and the X4M, base MSRP was increased by $1,900. Looks like all of the paint options have stayed the same. No charge Alpine White or Sao Paulo Yellow. Metallic paints, Carbon Black, Black Sapphire, Dark Graphite, Marina Bay Blue Metallic, Toronto Red Metallic, and Brooklyn Gray are $895 and all the same for last year. Then we start to get into our upholstery. So we have some no-charge merino leather options, with the only one being the black and beige two-tone merino leather for an additional $500. Then we start to get into our packages. The first one is Advanced Driver Assistance Package, is active stop and go cruise control. Then we have your premium package, side sunshades, ventilated front seats, rear heated seats, parking assistant plus with surround view, head-up display, and the BMW drive recorder. There's then the M Enhanced package, which includes all the carbon fiber, so carbon fiber precision strut, carbon fiber mirror caps, carbon fiber rear spoiler on the X4, and the M drivers package. After that, we start to get into the individual add-ons, so different color brakes, Wi-Fi hotspot, wireless charging tray, different trims on the inside like the carbon fiber trim, and then at the very bottom, individual paintwork. So frozen paintwork is $4,900, or individual normal paintwork is $3,900. After that, we get into our standard features. It looks like they're almost identical, except for the fact that the X4 does not come standard with high gloss black roof rails. On the second page, all of the standard features are identical between the X4M and the X3M. And on the last page, just shows you your wheel options. So you have two 21-inch wheel options to choose from. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did appreciate this content, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you're in the Toronto marketplace and you're interested in an X3M or an X4M, feel free to reach out to me at my email down below. If you know somebody who's in the market in Toronto for any BMW, send them this video or just send them my account. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one.